Hello 5th class, this is page 138, question 6. There's an awful lot on this question, so let's take it bit by bit. So here we're told what Tara bought, and over here we have the price list, okay? Right, 200 grams of mushrooms at $3.75 per kilogram. Well, 200 grams, that would be 1/5 of a kilogram. So the easiest way to find the price of 1/5 of a kilogram is to divide this by 5. 5 and 3 won't go. Carry the 3. 7 5s are 35. Carry my 2. And 5 and 25 goes 5. So it cost her 75 cents for the mushrooms. So I'm going to put that out here so they have a record of it. Okay, the next one she bought was 5 kilograms and 250 grams of potatoes. So that's the same as 5 1/4 kilograms. So it's very easy to find. There's my price per kilogram. So if I want to find 5 kilograms, I could just multiply it by 5. 6 5s are 30. Carry the 3. 5 5s are 25. And 3 is 28. 5 1s are 5 and 2 is 7. That's my 5 kilograms. But there was also a 1/4 kilogram. How to find a 1/4? Well, I divide by 4. So 156 was the price of each kilo, divided by 4. 4 into 1 won't go, carry the 1. 4 into 15, 3 4s are 12. 4 into 36 goes 9. So the 7.80 and 39 cents, there's my 5 kilograms price. This is my 1/4 kilogram. So together for the potatoes, 9, 11, 8. So she's spending €8 and 19 cents on the potatoes. Right, parsnips was next, 0.4 kilograms. So that's 4/10. So first, oh, that's meant to be 10. Never mind. First I need to find 1/10 and then I find 4 of them. So 255 was for the whole kilogram, and I divided that by 10. The easiest way to do that is move my decimal point, so that would be 0.255. That's only for 1/10, and I want to find 4/10. So I'm going to multiply this by 4. 4 5s are 20, carry my 2. 4 5s are 20 and 2 is 22. 4 2s are 8 and 2 is 10. 4 times 0 is 0 and 1 is 1. So €1 and 2 cents is what she paid for the parsnips. And finally the spinach, 750 thousandths. So that's the same as 3/4 of a kilogram. Find 1/4, I'm going to divide by 4. 4 into 7 goes 1. Carry the 3. 4 into 36 goes 9. And 4 into 1 goes once. That's 1/4. And then multiplied by 3 to get 3/4. 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are 27. Carry my 2. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. So that's how much she paid for spinach. 5.73. So this is all her shopping altogether. 5 and 9 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 7 1 is 8. 9 and 7 is 16. 5 and 1 is 6 and 1 is 7 and 8 is 15. So she has spent €15.69 in all her shopping. The question asks us, what change did she get from €20 after her purchases? So we need our €20, take away the $15.69 that she's spent, and we'll get her change. Right, load of zeros here. So there's a 1, 10, becomes a 9, 10. 10 take away 9 is 1, 9 take away 6 is 3, 9 take away 5 is 4, 1 take away 1 is 0, So there's our answer, €4.31.